everyone, welcome back to my channel Economics Classes. On this channel, I do teach economics. Today, I'll be teaching class 9 chapter 2 People as a Resource. Before starting the class, I would like to tell you that I have already uploaded 3 videos regarding this chapter. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch them first and then come back this video later so that you can understand the chapter with a better clarity. I will post the link in the description. So before starting the class, brief introduction about me. I am Sunidhi Arya. I have done graduation in economics from Cordimal College, DU, and right now I am pursuing masters in economics. So let's see what all we are going to study in today's classes. I would like to give you a short revision what all I have covered in the entire chapter till date. I have told you that how we can convert our growing population into an assets rather than a liabilities. Then I told you about the economic activities and what are the different kind of economic activities performed by men and women. And I gave you a short description about primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. After that, I taught you the quality of population, that is education, like how education helps us to grow the population, how education helps us to attain economic development. Today in this chapter we will be discussing the next quality of population, which is very essential when it comes to our human resource. So today we'll be discussing health. First we will understand what is the definition of health. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, health is physical, mental and social well-being. Generally Indian society में क्या होता है, it is that if a person doesn't have any disease और उसको physically कोई परेशानी नहीं है, तो हम उसको उसको healthy मानते हैं. Like we consider that person as healthy person, but that's not true. That's not true, right? So healthy person, a person is healthy if he has all the qualities, like he is physically healthy, mental healthy and social well-being. Physical well-being means that person does not have disease, illness, किसी भी तरीके की कोई भी बीमारी उस इंसान को नहीं है, and he is physically capable to do the required work. Mental well-being means that he has a mental state. Under the mental state, he can take the pressure of the life. He can handle the ups and downs which we all faces in our life, and he doesn't get depressed due to some sort of problems in the life. Social well-being means how a person is socially aware. Like a person is physically healthy and he is mentally healthy, he is able to cope up with the stresses of the life. But what if that person turns out to be a criminal? He doesn't think good of the society. That person believes in killing some people, in theft. अगर कोई इंसान फिजिकली हेल्दी है, मेंटली हेल्दी है, उसके बाद में चोरी में इन्वॉल्व है, मर्डर में इन्वॉल्व है, तो हम उसको सोशली हेल्दी नहीं बोल सकते. अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO, वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन all these three aspects: physical aspects, mental aspects and social well-being. Now we'll see why. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हमें समझ में आ गया है कि हेल्थी की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है. कोई फिजिकली ठीक है, मेंटली ठीक है, इमोशनली ठीक है, सोशली ठीक है, तो वो इंसान एक हेल्दी इंसान है. बट हमें इस चीज की जरूरत ही क्यों है, हमें एक हेल्दी इंसान चाहिए ही क्यों? तो सबसे पहला हमारा पॉइंट है टू रियलाइज हिज पोटेंशियल. I will explain this with the help of an example. Suppose you are working in a company, ABC company. You are manager of HR department. As you all know that HR department is responsible for the recruitment. ठीक है, उनकी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि नई नई भर्तियों को करना. लेकिन अब आपके सामने एक ऐसा केस आता है जहां पे एक इंसान है, ही इज हाईली एजुकेटेड और वो अच्छे से उसने किसी अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट से ग्रेजुएट किया है and he has done MBA from a very well recognized institute, but that person tells you that he won't be able to give the service on the particular days because he is not physically well and he will have to visit doctors on certain days. So would you hire that person? No, you would not hire that person. Every firm in the country, in the industry, wants to maximize the profit, and once we have hired the person who is not physically well-being, who is not healthy, that person is not able to give the 100% of his potential. तो जो उसका पूरा पोटेंशियल है, उसकी जो पूरी कैपेबिलिटीज है, वो तो आप रियलाइज ही नहीं कर सकते ना. जब आप उसकी कैपेबिलिटीज का फायदा ही नहीं उठा सकते हो, अपने आप को ज्यादा रिटर्न्स नहीं ले सकते हो, then why would you hire that person? So firstly we need help to realize the potential. Second, ability to fight with the illness. This we can see with the perfect case of the current scenario, COVID-19. As you know that cases of the coronavirus infections are being increased day by day. Now we all know that we need to take precautions. Sanitize your hands, wear the mask, social distancing. We all know that, right? We all know the drill we need to follow to prevent ourselves. But suppose you are failed at the prevention level. अगर आप प्रिवेंशन लेवल पे फेल कर गए हैं ड्यू टू एनी रीजन, आप किसी भी रीजन की वजह से प्रिवेंटिव जो स्टेज था उस पर फेल कर गए हैं एंड यू गॉट इन्फेक्टेड विद द COVID-19. So what are the other factors? Now, if your immunity is high, immunity is generally related to the age, but in a particular age, immunity depends on various other factors as well. So immunity is something which is related to the food, nutrition, and all other things which is directly related to our lifestyle. So a person who has a better immunity is expected to recover fast rather than a person who doesn't have immunity. ठीक है, तो कोई भी अगर आपकी बीमारी है, अगर आपको ऑलरेडी कोई बीमारी है तो आप उम्मीद नहीं कर सकते हैं कि कोई भी अगर आपको नई बीमारी होगी तो आप उससे जल्दी से जल्दी रिकवर कर पाएंगे. सपोज ए पर्सन हु मीट्स इन एन एक्सीडेंट एंड ऑलरेडी इज अ हार्ट पेशेंट. ठीक है, कोई इंसान है जो ऑलरेडी हार्ट पेशेंट है और अगर उसको कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है तो उसके सर्वाइवल चांसेस बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. If you have a healthy body, then your ability to fight with illness automatically increases and it helps you to gain the better health prospects. Now we need to see, अब मैंने आपको इतना सब कुछ बता दिया है कि भाई हेल्थ होता क्या है और हेल्थ की जरूरत क्यों है हमें. After all, why do we need a healthy person? Now we need to see that what government is doing for the health. Government has introduced a national policy and on this national policy there are 3 plus. सबसे पहली चीज तो एक्सेसिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एजुकेशन वाली वीडियो में भी बताया था कि विद इन द सर्टेन किलोमीटर स्कूल मस्ट बी देयर. अगर स्कूल वहां पे होंगे तो एक पेरेंट सोच सकता है कि वो अपने बच्चे को जाके एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कराए. लेकिन अगर आसपास स्कूल पॉसिबल ही नहीं है तो वी कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट द सेम थिंग, राइट? सो एक्सेसिबिलिटी इज द मस्ट. यानी कि अगर मैं बीमार पड़ती हूँ तो मेरे पास हॉस्पिटल होने चाहिए ताकि मैं जाके हेल्थ केयर की जो फैसिलिटीज है उसको अवेल कर पाऊँ. फैमिली हेल्थ केयर, पहले क्या होता था कि जो हमारी पॉपुलेशन होती थी उसमें हम एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया को टारगेट किया करते थे, राइट? एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को टारगेट किया करते थे. लेकिन नाउ गवर्नमेंट इज फोकसिंग ऑन द वेलफेयर ऑफ द एंटायर फैमिली. किसी एक पर्टिकुलर इंसान पे फोकस नहीं है, हमें पूरी फैमिली को ग्रो करना है. न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यूज, nutritional values is generally lower in the women compared to the men. There are various factors related to this. Some factors are biological because they have to go through the necessarily menstrual cycle every month, and due to pregnancy and other women related disease, it is found that women are generally having less nutrition compared to the men, and mostly women in India are anemic. What is anemic? Anemic is iron deficiency. ठीक है, and reason might be social culture, like पहले पूरी फैमिली में मेल लोग खाते हैं खाना, बचा कुचा जो होता है उसमें फीमेल खाती है तो वो कई बार कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर जाती है. बायोलॉजिकल रीजन है, सोसाइटल रीजन है, कल्चरल रीजन है. तो गवर्नमेंट इज प्रोवाइडिंग डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट इज focusing on increasing the nutritional intake of a woman. Suppose a lady who is anemic, कोई एक लेडी है वो एनिमिक है, if she is carrying a baby and she is delivering the baby, so how can you expect कि baby is going to be healthy? एक माल न्यूट्रिशन जो माँ है, जो एक माँ खुद कुपोषण का शिकार है, उसका बच्चा भी तो कुपोषण का शिकार होगा. So to get a breed perfectly healthy, we need to take care of the female of the population. That is why there are different schemes which is being launched by the government. Best example of the schemes which is being run by the government to increase the access of the healthcare is Ayushman Bharat, right? Under this scheme, anyone who belongs to the BPL, and there are certain provisions regarding regarding the identification of beneficiaries, and once you are identified that you are the beneficiary of the Ayushman Bharat, you get free insurance of 5 lakh rupees, and under that you can avail the medical healthcare facilities from the public as well as private hospitals, and it is not for a person, it is for the entire family. Now, as I have told you in the एजुकेशन सेक्टर कि अगर हमें एजुकेशन को मेजर करना होता था तो हम किससे करते थे, हम लिटरेसी रेट से मेजर करते थे, राइट? नाउ इफ वी हैव टू मेजर द health status, we will measure it through the life expectancies. These are the different terminologies which are used when we understand the population and what are the characteristics of a population. So what is the life expectancy? Number of years person can expect to live. Sorry, एक बच्चे का अगर जन्म हुआ है तो हम अपनी मेडिकल कंडीशंस के हिसाब से कितनी उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो बच्चा कितने साल तक जिएगा, वो लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी होती है. इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट, death per 1,000 live birth of children below 1 year. Among the 1,000 live birth, उसमें से एक साल पूरी होने से पहले ही कितने बच्चे डाई कर गए हैं, कितने बच्चे प्रॉपर सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाए हैं, दैट इज नोन एज द इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आज की वीडियो में बहुत छोटा सा वीडियो है, इतना ही पढ़ना था कि हेल्थ क्या होती है और हेल्थ का फैक्टर जो है वो कैसे डिटरमाइन करता है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीजों को. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में, व्हाट इज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. एंड if you like the video, you know the drill. Like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And after subscribing, make sure to hit the notification bell on so that whenever I upload the next part of the video, you get an instant notification to that. Till then, take care, keep learning. Thank you so much.